Hello. So we're going to talk today about how Mrs. Rock is going to get feedback on her Canvas library course page. In order to do that, you're going to have to help break her out from the library. Well, what does that all mean exactly? And how do you go about doing such a thing? This is what we're here to talk about today. So, you've already signed on to class. You have joined the Zoom meeting, and now you need to work on what we're doing for today. So you're going to click today's lesson, and from there you're going to be brought to our modules for this week. Now these two links are going to be very important to you. The first one is going to be the link to Mrs. Rock's Canvas course for the library, PVM Reads and Resources. If you go back, the second link that you are going to need to access is going to be right here, the Library Lockdown Breakout. And here is where we're looking at what is going on with Mrs. Rock. She needs your help. She's locked in the library. She has no way of knowing how students are reacting to her new Canvas course, and she needs your help. So if you've ever done a digital breakout in the past, you know that there are certain locks or word codes that you need in order to be able to gather a message, okay, or to break free. In order to do that, you are going to need to look up here at the top of your screen at these different pages on this site. Now these pages, Red Hawks Read, Research Resources, Media Literacy, Fun Stuff, you might happen to notice correlate to the various tabs that Mrs. Rock has on her library page. Red Hawks Read, Research Resources, Media Literacy, and Fun Stuff. So as you go into each of these particular tabs, according to what you're being asked to do in the breakout, you're going to complete different tasks using the library and navigating the library page, but also earning word codes. So for example, I'm going to, with this how-to video, I'm going to show you a sample. So you come to this particular tab. It's telling you go to the Library Canvas course and click on the Red Hawks Read tab. Open the Everything Star Wars podcast and choose one podcast to listen to. And then it says, which podcast did you choose and did you enjoy listening? So I'm going to go up here. I'm going to go to the Red Hawks Read tab, just like I was asked. And I'm going to scroll down. Oh, here it is, Everything Star Wars. And I'm going to decide which one do I want. Oh, I want Ewan McGregor Speaks. Okay, so I would go through, I would open it, I would listen to it for the sake of time. You don't have to follow along with that. But I'm going to type in Ewan McGregor Speaks. And did I enjoy listening to it? Yeah, it's Star Wars. Duh. So I submit my form, and I get a message. Look at my message. Congratulations, your word code is Mandalorian. And notice how it's all in capital letters? It gives me this word code. I bet I can go here, back to my home page, and enter the code Mandalorian in one of these boxes. Now, tricky, isn't it, friends? I didn't exactly tell you which word code goes where. You'll have to figure that out for yourself. Once you've tried them out, decide where it works and where it doesn't, and you've gone through each of these 4 tabs here to complete your missions, you should be then given a code to help you decide, or a message to help you decide where you need to go next. So I hope that this has been helpful. And of course, you can always feel free to reach out in the chat to Mrs. Rock or myself. Good luck!